We all know that video is king. Everybody's using it from social media, YouTube, IGTV, Facebook Lives, Instagram Lives, stories, video. People just want to watch video because they'd rather watch a video than read something, right? Am I right? So anyway, one way that you can help improve conversion rates on your website and also improve SEO is embedding video into your product pages, and I'm going to show you how. Did you know that video can help increase your conversion rates on your product pages? Kissmetrics reported that users who viewed a product video were 85% more likely to buy. 85%, that's insane. So why wouldn't you take advantage of that? Here's some ideas on how to use video to promote your products. You could do a benefits video, what makes your product better than maybe your competitors, testimonials, reviews. You could do a teaser if you're doing a Kickstarter or a pre-order promotion. You could do 3D model or just a video showing how to use your product. So the sky's the limit, guys. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to set it up and get it implemented. You can use YouTube videos. You could even drag and drop an MP4 directly from your desktop or your phone. Come on, so easy. So we're gonna customize it, add descriptions, add thumbnails. So we're gonna dive right into the tutorial now.
Okay, so we're here on our Shopify dashboard. You're going to want to navigate over to your product section and click on the item that you want to add the video to. You're going to want to navigate down to the media section and you'll click on this drop down arrow. And with the update, now you'll see the option to embed a YouTube video. So we're going to click on that. We're going to get our YouTube link. That's the wrong link. Okay, and then embed the media. And it's processing and it's going to update with the YouTube video on our page. I'm going to navigate back over to this product. And now you're going to see we have an extra thumbnail with the video. And it's going to autoplay the YouTube video. Now, if for some reason you don't see that you have the video thumbnail on your theme, you want to reach out to your theme developer and see if there's an update that includes the video integration. If they don't have an update, Shopify support has a tutorial that you can, if you have a little bit of know-how and no liquid, you can update it yourself, or you can reach out to a Shopify expert like myself and we can help get your theme updated so that you can have this feature. So if you have the video and say you don't like how it looks, you can actually customize the thumbnail. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to navigate back over to your product section and you're going to want to click on these 6 little dots here. And then from here, you can also update your alt text. And then these 3 little buttons here where it says more options, if you click on that, you can get an option to replace the thumbnail. So I'm going to use this photo here and we're going to upload it and then close it. And now you'll see it's replaced the video screenshot it had and replaced it with our stylized photo. And it still has the play icon over it. So now if you go back over to your page, hit refresh. Now you're going to see your little stylized photo that you just uploaded for the thumbnail. If you click on it, it still autoplays your video. Also, YouTube isn't the only method you can upload videos with. You can upload videos directly from your desktop. If you have an MP3 or an MP4, if you created a video with iMovie or another program, but remember it has to be under 60 seconds, otherwise Shopify won't allow you to upload it. Now there are some pros and cons to uploading video directly to Shopify or hosting it on YouTube. With raw video, uploading it to your site, it can slow it down, and with issues you can have with SEO, page speed, it's best sometimes to use a third-party video hosting solution like YouTube. Now, if you don't want users to be able to see your video, you can still upload it to YouTube, but just mark it as private, and then you can embed it on your shop page, and only the people that are on your shop page can see those private videos. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. if this helped you or if you have any other questions, please leave a comment below and I would be happy to connect with you. Thank you.